Hi, it's Nina. Hello and welcome again on Now I Know channel. And in today's video, we're going to talk about how to fix reposts not showing on TikTok. So let's get started. Well, after getting the app, here for example, if you want to repost this video, we're going to tap on the share icon at the very bottom. And as you see here, the repost option will appear. Now, if this doesn't appear, then the first thing we're going to do is to go and Play Store. Now go back and type in TikTok. So here if it says update, then you need to update the app, but if it says open, then you already have the latest version. So here I'm gonna hit update. Now if this doesn't work, then go to your settings, scroll all the way down and tap on apps option. Now hit manage apps and then look for TikTok. Now tap on clear data, then clear cache. So this is gonna clear if there's any kind of bugs, and it's also gonna fix any issue on the app. So that should fix your problem. And this is it. Thanks for watching. See ya.